How to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you receive USDT TRC20 on your Binance account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the Binance app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Binance app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the deposit option just at the top right corner. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll have to again tap on the option deposit crypto. Alright, so after you tap on that deposit crypto option, you'll got search interface. So from this interface, you'll have to go the option source field, and in the source field, you'll have to search for USDT. Alright, so after you search the USDT in source field, you'll have to just tap on the USDT. And now from here, you'll have to choose the network as an Tron. So it will be like Tron TRC20. So simply you have to go with this option. Alright, so after you tap on that deposit option, you will be able to see such interface. So from here, you will have to save your address, and from there, you will have to open any wallet from which you want to send money on your Binance account. So simply open any wallet, and after you open the wallet, you will have to just find the option send USDT, and from there, you will have to go the option TRC20. On this interface, you will have to paste that address or domain name as you have copied from your Binance account, and after you paste the address, you'll have to enter the amount which you want to transfer. So from the amount section, you'll have to add your amount, and after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the next option. So after you complete this process, you'll be able to receive USDT TRC20 on your Binance account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.